If you're thinking about switching to Visible or you're already on Visible and just need a new phone, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how buying a phone directly from Visible works and highlight a few cool features that they offer. I would like to go step by step through the process on Visible's website and in their app. I'll talk about pricing and how to finance their devices, and then I also wanted to break down Visible's phone insurance. I know insurance isn't the most exciting topic, but I want to talk about whether or not I think it's actually worth it. Visible does have a few options to trade in your devices, and yes, you can see the value of your current devices right on their website. And then last but probably not least, it's good to know that the devices you buy from Visible are carrier locked for 60 days. What does that mean, really? Well, that means that when you buy your device from Visible, you have to use it with the carrier of Visible, okay? Not Verizon, not US Mobile, not Mint Mobile, not AT&T or anything else. It has to be Visible. Why would somebody buy a device from Visible and not use Visible? I don't know. Great question. If that is you, please do not buy a phone from here. In that case, I'd recommend buying it from the carrier that you actually want to use, or say you're buying an iPhone, for example, you could buy it directly from Apple instead. So I'm going to go to Visible's website, and then you'll see a couple of options. You'll want to head to the top left corner, which then you'll see shop. So we're buying devices, so we want to shop. Let's click that. And then there are a couple more options. So you can shop all phones, shop all wearables, choose plan. We are going to shop phones and see the different options that are out there. So let's click shop all phones. And then there's lots of various brands out there. Personally, I am the most familiar with Apple, but it's not just limited to Apple. You have Apple, Google, Motorola, Samsung, TLC. You could shop by the software. So iOS is Apple, Android is not Apple. They even have some pre-owned options if you're into that and want to save a little bit of extra money. Like I said, I'm more familiar with Apple, so I'm going to click Apple. And then I want to click the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max and kind of show you what's in there. So I think this happened just recently, but like literally yesterday when I was on their website, like preparing to record this video, they didn't have any options in stock really of anything other than Cosmic Orange. So that appears to be a little bit different. It's good to know that Visible especially, I know they don't always have everything in stock. So depending on how picky you are, like for example, Cosmic Orange must not be as popular of a color, because yesterday when I looked, they had only one option like in stock, and it was the 2 terabyte. Well, not many people need 2 terabytes of storage on a phone. So just something to keep in mind. It looks like right now they have every color of every phone in stock, which is great, because I think for most people, the 256 gigabyte is definitely enough storage. That's personally what I have, and I've never even ran close to running out. So anyway, you can click the color. Like I said, there's orange, blue, or silver, the different storage capacities. So you have all of that stuff. And then here, like I mentioned earlier, you have the device unlocking policy. So I don't know why it just zoomed in really weird. What you need to know here is if you sign up, if you buy a device from Visible, you won't be able to use it with any other carrier for 60 days. Why 60 days? I don't know. That's just what they picked. It's just that you can't buy a phone here, then activate it with US Mobile or Mint Mobile, for example. If you buy a phone here, you need to activate it with Visible. So there is payment. So here you have Affirm, which is a pay over time platform. So let's say you want to get the 256 gigabyte iPhone 17 Pro Max. So the full price is $1,200, not including tax. You can finance it for 36 months total. If that's something that you're interested in, I'm pretty sure usually these things don't impact like your credit score or anything like that. You know, if you need to finance it, it's definitely a good option for a lot of people, so you don't have to pay the full price, and then it gets lumped into your monthly bill with Visible, which is just nice to have everything kind of in one place. If that's something you're interested in, you can click pre-qualify now, and then you'll see different options in here. So you can choose like your term, and it also says the interest rate, which the interest rate is 0. So that's pretty great. Okay, so I had somebody in a different video talk about insurance, and that was kind of a new thing to me with Visible. I didn't realize that they even offered that, but it is something that they do. So I learned that Visible has 3 types of insurance, and which one you want kind of depends on what you need. So you can click compare plans and then you'll see. So the ultimate top tier Visible insurance plan is Visible Protect with AppleCare services. There's Visible Protect Insurance and Visible Protect Service Contract. The names are a little bit off in my opinion. If you're wondering basically what each tier is, I'd recommend, see at the bottom here, it says click or check out this brochure. So I'm gonna click that, and then this is the most in-depth thing you'll ever need. This chart here is pretty nice because it tells you like what is covered under what. You'll see the Visible Protect is the most, and I believe that's the one that also includes AppleCare. So if that's something you're interested in, there's also different deductibles. So the deductible, if you're familiar with insurance, is like how much you're paying before the insurance kicks in. So depending on what it is and what plan you're using, what tier of device you have, it's kind of a lot of steps to it. So everybody can kind of vary a little bit, but you'll see this is all broken down in this PDF, I guess, that's available on their website. If you're wondering like how much each plan is, which that's a great point, you click add a plan and then you have to pick what state you're in. I am in Wisconsin, and these are at least Wisconsin's prices, but you'll see it's $12 a month, $9 a month, or $4 a month. So it's not cheap, obviously, and then also a good fact is that you cannot add this on later. So if you're looking to get this insurance, you have to buy it when you buy your device. And then once you cancel it, there's no getting it back. You have to pay for it before you actually buy the device. Okay, and then they have a nice feature where you can also trade in an old device. So if you have an old device that you just don't care about and you just want it gone, you can click yes, trade in. So basically how this works is you get your estimate and then you find the new phone that you want. You purchase your new phone and then you have to send in your old phone and then they credit your account. So you can read about that more there, but for this video, I'm just gonna click yes, trade in to kind of show you how that works. But yeah, that's kind of everything that they show you on their website. I'm just gonna click continue, and then it says if you're a new or existing member. So I'm just going to say I'm a new member for the purpose of this video and kind of show you what that looks like. So then you also have to, before you can check out, you have to pick what plan you want. So you can pay monthly or pay annually. Monthly is every month, annually is one time for every 12 months. So, and you know, if you pay annually, it's cheaper overall, but you have to pay one big lump sum. So if that's not something you'd want to do, then you'd want to pay monthly. There is actually discount codes right now, so that part is pretty nice. I'll just click the Visible Base plan, and then it kind of summarizes everything. So I picked the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, I picked the Visible Protect plan, which is $12 a month, the regular base plan, and then you can see the trade-in estimate is pending. So then you can click Finish Evaluation, and this is what basically is how you start the like trade-in process. So if you want to see how much your device is worth, I'm just gonna do this for my phone, which is a iPhone 15 Pro Max. I know I don't have the newest phone anymore, but if I click Visible, okay, I can click continue. Step 2, it will tell you how much your device is worth. So this is only worth $360. Something to keep in mind is that, I know because I just did this for a different video, is that Apple has trade-ins, and it's the same kind of process where you mail it into them and it's pretty seamless, right? They actually do give you more money. So if you would like the top dollar for your device and also not have to like sell it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or something like that, you just want to do everything through Visible, that also works. Because I picked an iPhone, you also have an option to add an Apple Watch, which I am personally not going to do. You can enter a promo code, you can enter a referral code. The promo code, they always usually have promo codes on their website. You can see at the very top, see how it says Switch 26? You would take that promo code and put it in here. If you have a referral code from somebody, you can apply all of those, get your discounts, and then at the very end, it will tell you your total amount and then how much you have to pay when you actually activate your plan, which in this case is $37 because you're paying for the plan and then you're also paying for the insurance. Okay, then you would enter all of that info, click check out, and then you would create your Visible account in here. everything gets set up, they send you the phone. Once you get your phone, you can activate it. Life's good. I made a video on activation, so we're good there. Now, I just want to show you the Visible app really quick to show you kind of how it's different or the same, just kind of show you how that's done. I was talking about my referral code, so if you do want to use it, you don't have to, but it's that code right there on the screen. So anyway, let's go back to home. This is in the Visible app now, by the way. So there's 3 tabs at the bottom. There's home, shop, and account. So I want to shop for a new phone. And then once you click that, you'll notice, hey, this is pretty similar to the website, and you would be correct. But I just want to walk through it again. So I'm gonna click the Apple iPhone and just kind of show you what it looks like to see if it's actually the same. And yeah, it pretty much has all the same options. You can add a plan, you can finance it or pay for the whole thing. You can see if you want to trade it in device, you can see the specs, and then yeah, the options are basically the exact same. When you can add an Apple Watch, get an estimate, all of that. So congrats, now you know how to buy a device and basically inform yourself if you want insurance, trade it everything in. It's all there, you can make your own decisions now. Overall, buying a phone directly through Visible is actually a really smooth experience, and it's nice that you can do it either on their website or directly through their app. They might have limited stock of their devices at times, but if you already have Visible and your device is available, this is a nice option to have your payment and bill wrapped into one. So one monthly bill. If you do consider buying a device through them, I have an affiliate link in the top pinned comment and description as well, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If this walkthrough helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more Visible and prepaid carrier content, and let me know if you'll be buying a new device anytime soon. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope your day is as pleasant as you are.